स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manwar. Today in this video we'll talk all about the development studies. This program you can pursue from TIS after cracking TISnet. So here we'll cover the important points like eligibility criteria, paper pattern, cutoff, selection process, program details, seat availability, fee structure, campus and the placement. So let's talk about it. So friends, as you know, due to pandemic situation, all the classroom preparation or classroom coachings are on the hold basis. So why stop your preparation? Kickstart your preparation by joining the online program. You can call on this number or you can simply visit at manwaredu.com or you can call on these respective numbers also. So moving further, here we'll talk about the Master of Arts in Development Studies. So to pursue this course, you have to crack the TISnet exam. So let's talk about the TISnet first. Now the eligibility criteria says you must have the bachelor's degree, either 3-year bachelor or 4-year bachelor in any stream. And the age criteria says no age bar. So these are the exam details. The exam mode is online. The number of question will be 100. Time duration here will be 100 minutes. And the marking system, for each correct answer you will get +1 marks, and for each incorrect answer 0. That means no negative marking system. Let's talk about the paper pattern. So it includes 3 sections, mainly English, 30 question out of it, mathematics and logical reasoning, 30 question out of it, and the general awareness, 40 question out of it. So overall it will be 100, and here you have to score 68 plus marks. So moving further, here is the selection process. So friends, here the TISnet score will plays the qualifying role here, and after qualifying you will enter to the stage number 2, that is the pre-interview test and the personal interview. So here the weightage for both stand in the ratio of 70/30. So let's talk about the campus. So friends, as you know, Mumbai is the oldest campus of the TIS. It is established in 1936 and it is the hub for all courses, which is around 53, and most of the courses are offered by the Mumbai campus only. Next one is the Hyderabad campus, and the program offered by the Hyderabad campus from the academic year 2014 and 15. So friends, let's talk about the complete program details. So in the Mumbai campus, School of Development Studies offers Master of Art in Development Studies and Women Studies, and in the Hyderabad campus, School of Livelihoods and Development offer Master of Arts in mainly 3 programs such as Development Studies, Master of Arts in Natural Resource and Governance, and in Rural Development and Governance. So here we'll talk about the Development Studies. So friends, the respective school for both campuses has the seat intake of 51 for Mumbai campus and the 34 for the Hyderabad campus. The duration of course is 2 years. It includes the 4th semester and 2 internship, and it also includes the research work. So friends, in the first semester you will find foundation course, that is one's knowledge about the society, and in the remaining semester you will get the complete philosophy of the development studies. So friends, let's talk about the development studies. What is the development studies? So it is the understanding how global, economic, political, environmental and the social forces are reshaping the world we live in, and it focuses mainly on the historical changes in the configuration of state, market, social institutions and the civil society. So it is the unique mixture of your theory and the practice, where after intensive academic training in the field of development studies, exposed to various governmental and non-governmental organizations such as NGOs and the various corporate sectors. So let's move further. Now here we'll talk about the fee structure. So your academic fees at the Mumbai campus, here it stands at 88.6 thousand for 2 years, and in the Hyderabad it stands at 1.05 lakhs for 2 years, and with the hostel fees it is 2.13 lakh for 2 years at Mumbai campus. So friends, as you will see here, the fee structure is very nominate, that is 88,000 for 2 years. It is around 45,000 for 1 year. That means here you will get the best ROI, that is nothing but the return on investment. So to understand it, let's move to the career scope and the placement. So friends, these are the various organizations, the governmental and the non-governmental organization, the research organization, and national and the international organization, where you can play various role in these organizations after pursuing the development studies course. So friends, after pursuing this course, you can be take a part in academic institutions for pursuing the interdisciplinary research and teaching the development studies, or in civil and allied administration services of government, and in development facilitating organizations, in corporate sector, in the research consultancy firms and the development journalism. So friends, there are many more career options after pursuing this course where you will get the 100% placement. So friends, don't worry about the placement. Here you will get the highest package as the 10 lakh per annum. The median stands at 8 lakh per annum and the average stand at 7.4 lakh per annum. And if you have the 3 to 5 years of relevant experience in the particular field, then you will be get more than these numbers. So friends, why development studies? Because it is one of the few courses in India which gives the theoretical grounding to policy practice, which no other subject does. Not the management, not social work, not even individual subjects of economics, political science, sociology, etc. So if you wanna make your career immense and in the public policy or development practice, then you have to go for this course. And these are the past recruiters. So friends, this is all from the today's video. I hope you got all the points regarding the development studies program. So if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me in the below comment section. And friends, to make a career in development studies, you have to crack the TISNET. And to crack TISNET, join Manua online program where you will get books, mock test, sectional, full course. You can also attend our live lectures. So call on this number or you can visit at manuaedu.com/MBA entrance. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.